This lesson is called grazing areas, and we're just going to pose a question to the students. You would probably do this at the end after you had completed an area of a circle, area of a rectangle, and area of a triangle. And all of these actually do take place in grade 7 math. So here's our problem. We have two goats, and the first goat is tethered on a rope that's in a circle. So there's a stake in the ground, and we're going to say that our model represents 1 centimeter equals a meter. So this in actual life would be 7 meters long. So here's our goat going around in the circle, and then here's our second goat, and it's tethered on a rope that's half as long as the first one. Now you can pick other numbers. I just chose 7, and I've got 3.5. So it's going around a sliding rail that's twice as long as the original tether. Okay, so this one, it goes 14 centimeters on the straightaway, then it goes an arc, but it has a radius of 3.5. So we're going to invite the students to use a compass, to use rulers, whatever they need, and they're going to draw representations of who has the biggest area. Now, something that you might ask is, how would you work out which animal has access to the larger area? You want the students to discuss and justify what method they're choosing. They need to convince someone that their method shows that this particular animal has the larger feeding area. Now, we might want to extend that even farther and say, okay, we're going to have a real crazy area. So it's going to have a circle at one end, so we want an arc, and our radius here is going to be 4, let's say. Then we're going to put a rectangular area on there, and that line is going to be 6 centimeters. And then I'm going to decide to have a slanted line over here, and this length is 3 centimeters. So using the same strategies that they use for the grazing, can they figure out the area of something that's really very unusually shaped? And you will get many different methods, and that's the idea of inquiry, is let the students lead the way.